Go ahead. Try and crawl. Gotta use your arms. Gotta use your arms. Don't end it.
You're not interested in rolling, you just want to go straight to crawling. You're kind of in a crevice.
You're gonna have no skin left on your knees.
She did move forward a bit, I think.
Oh yeah, once you just gotta figure out, just gotta use her arms at the same time. Like.
You're kind of in a bad crevice, you can't really get anywhere. You need to be on a flat surface, but then you'd hurt your face. She's tiring herself out. Are you getting tired? Say hi, Daddy.
Little girl.
She's getting so tired. She's all out of breath. Use your arms.
Maybe we should pick her up.
I'm getting tired.
What?
Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, how much